In this instructional lesson, we are going to take a look at using mask in animate. And in this example, I am going to use a mask to, we'll say, secretly reveal text. So I'm going to show you what our outcome is going to look like. We're also going to learn about a gradient and review some skills that we've already done. So I am going to close this. I am going to make a new document. My new document is going to have a width of 600. Oops, 600. And a height of 400. And it's going to be action script 3. This is what we've used basically for all of our projects. And to start with, we are going to learn how to do a gradient. And we want it to be a linear gradient. So to tell animate that's what we want, we're going to go to Window, Color, and under Fill Colors, we're going to pick this red to black. And instead of a radial gradient, we're going to choose linear gradient. We are then going to draw a rectangle to apply that, and notice that I have no stroke on. And we are going to rename this layer background. We are then going to lock this background, and we are going to go to frame 50, and we are going to insert a keyframe. Now at this point we have no motion, but we are going to add a new layer. And the new layer that we're making is going to be called Ball. And on this, we are going to single click on frame 1, and we are going to change our color to black. And we are going to use the oval tool, and we're going to hold the shift key down to get a perfect circle. We're going to select this circle, and we are going to convert it to a symbol. We want it to be a graphic symbol. And now I'm going to right click on frame 1, and I'm going to set this as a motion tween. And I'm going to go to frame 50, and I'm going to drag it. I'm holding shift so it stays in a straight line. So if I play this back, I should simply see the circle moving. And now we are going to actually apply the mask to the ball layer. We're going to right click and choose mask. Right click and choose mask. Okay, so the same thing is happening, but now the ball is changing colors. It's picking up the colors from the gradient. So now we're going to create a new layer, and this is going to be my text layer. And I'm going to use my text tool, and I'm going to start my type. I should have started down a little further, but we can move our type. We want to actually type in white. So I'm going to type in black so I can see my letters and then change my fill color. I'm just going to write the word rockets. Rockets. Rock. And I'm going to move that down a little. I'm actually going to make it a bit smaller. Oh, not on my transform tool. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and center it. And I'm going to change my fill color to white. There we go. And now I'm going to play. And I think that's pretty cool. And the way it's working is the motion path is still the same. There's nothing real tricky about this text. The circles, the ball is passing under the text, but because it's a white background and white text is how the concept is able to work. But I thought it was just kind of a fun little concept and things that you can do if your text and your background are kind of the same colors. So I will ask that you export. There's no sound involved, so we can just export it as an animated gift. And then you're going to upload that to Google Classroom. So after you export your project from today and you upload this into Google Classroom under the assignment, I would like you to take a look. Let me just go to my classroom here real quick and point it out to you. At the top of classwork, you see the 1-5 to 18, your animation assignment. And you're going to need to put your topic in here. You're going to put your topic in right here in the Google Slides. I'm sorry, the dog has decided to visit the same room that I'm trying to record in with his newest squeaky toy. But you're going to put the topic to your animation project in right here. So again, here are the videos, and the slideshow that I was just referring to is going to be added here, and there will be a copy made for each of you so you can put your topic in there, and we will add to that slideshow as we can work through our project. Have a good one.